So it's a 08 built to the Blackgate's Charlatan design. The person who built it done some quite interesting things. They put a petrol engine in it with a 3-speed gearbox. So it obviously hasn't been used for a long time when it came to us. We had to strip the engine, clean all the rings, replace the spark plug, flush all the fuel system and clean up the carburettor. It's quite a nice design though. He's really gone to town on, he put chain tensioners on it, greasing points, some kind of braking on this centrifugal clutch here, so you can actually change the gears as you go along. You've also got all of the controls in the back, which is quite nice rather than having anything up the front. So you've got 3 gear positions on a straight cut gearbox with a brake on the centrifugal clutch, an accelerator, and you've got a forward and reverse gear. So actually you've got 3 forward speeds and 3 reverse speeds. We had to change the tap on the fuel tank. The old tap just wouldn't stop leaking, so we put a more modern tap on it and some silicone pipe. But we're going to give it a run today. Hopefully see everything working. The exhaust system comes down to a little silencer at the bottom here. It will be a bit smoky because it is 2-stroke. And also these engines are pretty old, so I'm not entirely sure how the choke works on it, but we'll see if we can get it started. According to a man in the know, this is actually how you prime the carburettor. You turn the fuel on, press and hold this button down, prime the carburettor. Everything's cold, so we're going to go for a cold start. It has been running before, but I have to admit I'm not all that used to these models, or this particular engine, so we'll just give it a go and see what happens. Little bit of accelerator, and the pull start is mounted in the front. Smells good and petrol anyway. It's got a brake on the centrifugal clutch, so you can stop the centrifugal. Then you can actually move it into your gears. So we try it. I won't rev it up very much because they're straight cut gears. Hold the centrifugal clutch, put it into first gear, start to move. To low gear. If you want to change gear, I'm assuming you can do this on the move, but I haven't tried it.